right, hello everyone. I go by the name of Roxy Rose, and this right here is Roxy Rose Guides. Cash stuffing of our sinking funds and our 1 month ahead binder for the month of March 2026. If you hear some jingle and jangle in the back, is my baby Caleb. All right, he is 7 months old right now, about to be 8 months in like a few days, and he's over there just playing. So he's in the room. If you hear anything in the background, it's probably him. But in the meantime, I want to thank my wonderful subscribers. You are wanted and appreciated, and I thank you so much for coming on this channel. Y'all, put in the comments if you have been a subscriber, you have been a part of this specific budget community before I had my kids, y'all. Because I had this one, 7 months ago, and the other one about 2.5 years ago, yo. Time flies. Anyway, I want to go ahead and make sure this cash stuffing, if you're into it, like and subscribe below, leave a comment. I love to hear from you, and let's get into this stuffing for today. So like I mentioned before, we're going to be doing this cash stuffing. I got my stuff in the bank, although I don't know where my envelope is. Let me see if I can go find it. All right, I found it. Okay, my cash tray. So let's go ahead and count it and then put it on. 51, 52, 20, 40, 60, 80, 1, 20, 40, 60, 82, 20, 40, 60, 83. So 340 plus 200 is 540. 540, 550, 560, 570, 580, 590, 90. 6,600. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55. 55. So $655. $655. Let me move this up a little bit. So now that we're stuffing $655, all right, let's go ahead and move this to the side, and we're gonna go ahead and bring out our wonderful binders. Let's start with I'm gonna start with these, and then we'll go to the 1 month ahead. That right now is my favorite, so we're gonna do that later. Start with this. Let's start with our wonderful diva Pearl. Pearl, you are amazing. You're a wonderful girl. You're glistening, but you're not looking right. You need a little bit of thickness on them bones, okay? Ain't nothing. So let's fill you up. And y'all, it's been a little while, so let's get to it. Let's fill up car maintenance. I'm going to put $20 into car maintenance because I need to go ahead and make sure about this car situation. I put more gas into my car recently just to make sure. I've heard that the gas is going to go up because of this impending war situation. So yeah, I'm trying to put a little extra money in my tank just in case. So we got 90 for car maintenance. I'm hoping it'll be more soon. Home repair and rental. Home repair, I'm going to put just $20. Everything with home repair has to do with plants right now because we're getting into the spring season, and we definitely okay our own vegetables in our own little garden. Got $60 for that altogether. Then we have vacation. We're gonna put $20. I'm gonna put more, like $50 in for that because we have a trip to take this year, and it's seeming like I might have to take more than one trip this year, as my family's trying to get married this year as well. So we got $90 for that altogether. So I'm gonna be saving as much as I can for all of those trips to come. Okay, then we have taxes. We have $50 for that, so that is $200 saved for taxes. We have it's business, my business, that's $20 for that. So $70 altogether. We have business taxes. I'm only gonna save $20 for that. So that's $170. And then YouTube, I'm going to put another $20 for all the stuff that I use to manage my YouTube channel. Okay. And that is how that goes. So see you, Pearl. We'll miss you. We love you. And let's bring out Bridget's. Bridget! Might not be allowed in the country soon, Bridget's. Okay. Anyway. Christmas. I'm only going to do $10. I'll do $20 for Christmas. I'm going to do $10 for Christmas. I'm going to do holiday. I will also do $20 for holiday. As I'm not sure what's going to happen, but if at all I need to decorate, I can go ahead and use that $50 to decorate. Birthday. You have a birthday coming up. We have a few birthdays coming up. Aries season is around the corner, and I have a lot of Aries in my life. A lot of people born in late March, early April. So yeah, I got my brother, my dad, my husband. Yeah, that's most of them. And there's other people that I know as well. So got 120 for birthday, more to come. I don't know what even to do this year. We'll see what happens. Date night, I'll just do $20. Love to have a date night. It's turning spring. Y'all, the Ross opened by my house. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I was in that Ross. It was packed. This is the first and closest Ross to New York. And I don't know, because I talked to other people, I was so excited. And they were like, I've never been to Ross. Or I know Ross, but I don't really know Ross. Like, you really like that store? Y'all, Ross is amazing. There's one open up nearby me. I am so excited, so elated. And we were all excited to go to Ross. They were doing a giveaway outside Ross. They had a DJ over there, and the Ross was packed and it was full. Yeah, so I went ham. Spent a lot of money ham. But I kept my receipt just in case I had buyer's remorse and wanted to take some stuff back. But yeah, Ross is open, and I will be looking cute. And my kids will be looking cute for the rest of the season. Okay. And into spring. And we have self-love. I want to put a good $20 in there because I want to go for a massage. So that's $60. Then we have hair care. I'm going to put $10. Hair care, I'm not going to put that much. All right, then we have Costco. I'm going to put $50 for Costco because we know what it is with Costco. Okay. Shopping, I'm going to put $20 for shopping, which will be $60 total. Gifts, I only put $10 in the gifts, always. I always just put $10. So that'll be $30 total. And let's support, we'll get $5. So $15 for let's support. Okay. If you are a business or know a business that I need to support, especially when it comes to these cash stuffing or savings challenges, I would love to. Y'all, I love the scratch offs. If you know any good scratch offs, leave it in the comment, leave the link, let me know. Okay, now that we're done with that, let's go to Brooklyn's Binder. Okay, I never had a name for it. I don't even know. It's just Brooklyn's Binder. So Brooklyn's Binder, she gets $20 for herself. Okay, she gets $20 for baby care. She still needs care. We're in the process of body training. It's going how it goes. Then family time. We're gonna put 20 in here, but take away. I'm gonna give just $10 for family fun. That's about $40 altogether. Springtime is a great time. Street fairs happen around here and other activities that's outside for the kids. So I can't wait for the weather to get better so I can really like make sure that we go to those events and have a little cash on us to buy, little treats, little things for the kids to eat. All right, Moo Cow Don't Bother Me. Okay, I think that's what I'm gonna call this one. This is Caleb's one. Okay, Caleb, my little son, my little boy, he is also getting $20 here. Okay, so he has $60, and he's getting $20 for his care. He's still in diapers, and Lordy, I've been catching strays with this Caleb. He has been peeing and pooping everywhere. Okay, so $90 for his care. And diapers just seem to be going in and out so fast. So, yeah. Okay. Now we're in our 1 month ahead. 1 month ahead of everything. Let's try to get it. All right, so I'm gonna be honest, a lot of these are outside of the envelope because it's easier to do it outside of the envelope than inside. It's not like the A5. The A5 would have been easier to put everything in, like just slip it out and slip it in. But because this is so small, yeah, I definitely need that space to put everything in, and it's a lot harder. So I guess you'll see what I'm talking about. But here's our tracker for the 1 month ahead. I'm gonna leave it there, and I'm gonna go ahead and see, like, even taking this out, it's just a lot. So I just leave it in between the slots. I'm gonna be honest, they're all out in between the slots. I should be putting them in, but it's just too much. I might need to get another A5 so that I can organize that 1 month ahead, because it's just too small for me right now. Anyway, first one is mortgage, green. I'm gonna get this highlighter because we are in the month of, we're in the month of March. So lucky for me, wink, wink. Okay, we can use that. So we have 46, 46. So we have 46 we're gonna use for this. Then car insurance, I'm gonna put actually a good $5 and take back one. And for here, electricity, I'm gonna use a good $10 and take back one. Okay. Then I have Assuring Home Plus, that is $2, but I'm gonna do 5, take back $1. That's gonna be 2 of them. So this one's almost done for my 1 month ahead. So this is nice. And then we have Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi is $5. Then we have, my Wi-Fi is my internet. Then we have insurance, it's just $1. I'm gonna put $5, take out $2. Did I do 3? Oh my gosh. If that's the case, I'm gonna extra. Yep, so that's 9. I don't know why. I just said I was gonna put 9, but I already did it. Then we have trash. That's $3. Let me just take out the subscription. I'm gonna put $5. Bet back 1. Then childcare, $15. Then we have membership. I'm gonna put $3. 3. Miscellaneous. I'm gonna put $5. Debt, $42. Somewhere down the line I messed up. So 15, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 30, 5, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42. So I just happen to have $42. What else am I gonna do? Well, I have $2 left. Let's see what I can add it to. I really like to add it to one that's $1. Yep, my life insurance. I have 2 of these. All right, y'all. So just by adding that extra, let's say at $100. Let's say I add it. All right, so we are moving through. Honestly, a lot of my things are like, some of mine are at the top, some of ways are halfway through, some of mine are all the way at the bottom. Okay, so we're gonna continue to work through that and just seeing how things go. I have my sinking funds video to do that should be coming up very soon, but the next thing for y'all to look forward to is I received my tax refund. Yay! And I hope y'all did your taxes so you can receive your tax refund too. So we got to do a video of that breakdown and then do a stuffing with those tax refund funds. Okay, so that's to come very soon. I pray you guys have an amazing, wonderful, and fantastic March. Enjoy, feel lucky. I hope you guys have a wonderful and amazing March. Enjoy the time, take the time with your families. Is anybody having an early spring break in March? I am, and it's really weird. So I hope you guys have an amazing time and enjoy. Take care, God bless, and Roxy Rose out. Bye.